signals.
Wasn't easy, but I figured out a way for you to enjoy your birthday again. You place a bad memory with a good one. Voila! Miles, Taylor is allergic to dogs.
Yeah, she's gonna blow up like a walrus.
That's just it. I know she's allergic, which is why I got her a ghost dog. All the cuteness, none of the mucus.
A ghost dog?
Indeed, milady.
She talks.
Do. Sir Wagsworth Barcelot the Third at your service.
Oh my gosh. I can finally have a dog. Miles, this is the best present ever. I'm gonna call you Wags. You already know.
You are.
So what do you think? Birthday party tonight?
Absolutely. Wags, you wanna come to my party?
Are you kidding? I'm ready to raise the roof. Hey, guys. Who's that thing in here?
He's my new dog, Wags.
Ray, are you afraid of dogs?
Of course not.
Yeah,
Dogs are...
buddy.